this, young, before you open
Okay,
it,
sorry.
before you open it, the shoes was, you can see it was out there. It's a Obali.
It's an old belly,
A
bro.
lot of the components on that shoes was brittle, it's breaking if you touching it. I took it apart. The air unit was, I thought I could use that air unit, but it broke, so I had to buy a 97.
Oof.
And I took that whole air unit out. I had to reconstruct it and try and made it fit. It was slightly bigger the air unit, but I made it fit.
But we like big bubbles also.
Big bubbles.
We like big bubbles also. Ladies and
So the
gentlemen,
box,
just judging by this box, I'm sure many of you weren't even born when Nike released boxes like this. But
you see the front? You see there's original packaging.
yeah, Graphite 8, bro. This is my favorite Nike shoe that I've ever made in life. It's a toss-up between this and a Shox Elite or a Shock Bomber, but this is my favorite one, bro. This is number one on my list. Everybody asks what's my favorite shoe in the world. It's this one, so don't ask me ever.
And this is my first time
this.
working on a pair like this before. So.
The Graphite 8, ladies and gentlemen. Almost as important as the VCs, and you can see the red and white theme seem to stick through the
Same
2000s,
colorway.
yeah, early 2000s, but this is my favorite shoe on earth as far as the swoosh is concerned. And I had this when I was in grade 8, 2005. I had a white and gray one back then for La Barang.
So tell me the history of this one. How did it come about? This one, did you buy it in that time? Or
Nah. So this I actually purchased, I think it was 2018.
Yeah.
I purchased it from Sneaker X. Shout out to Sneaker X also. They were quite early in the game of importing sneakers along with Unwanted Kicks.
Was it new?
It was brand new when I got
Brand new
it.
at that time.
And I did wear it a couple of times also because I couldn't resist. As I said, this is my favorite shoe.
I'm gonna show them the pictures how it
The befores,
the befores, how it's looking. Because they love to see the befores.
Yeah, Cinderella takes time to get ready for the ball. You understand?
What I've noticed when I received it, that you did take it to someone.
I
before.
had tried already, yes, to bring it back to life, sir, but I was unsuccessful.
It was unsuccessful.
I was unsuccessful, and when I met you, I thought, you know what, maybe you can be the man to bring them back to its original state, and just like I thought. Save as I owe. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, Captain. Yeah, the
I try my best.
Ladies and gentlemen, go do your homework, do your research. But yeah, this is a classic year. Swingman. The year was 2004, 2005. And this stands as my favorite Nike of all time.